Right now, we are located in one of the prettiest towns in the eastern region, Moton.
Its name originated from the word Montona, which means the city of the hill.
The outfit I'm wearing is one of our Croatian traditional costumes.
Both our traditional costumes and folklore vary from region to region, both visually and culturally. Until the 19th century, these costumes were mostly worn by villagers from rural areas, each reflecting their own traditions and surrounding landscape. One of the fascinating facts of this town is its population, as only about 900 people live here. One of those 900 people is my dear friend Doriana, who I also like to call the Silk Lady. Her love for silk turned from a hobby to fully fledged business, and right now I will show you how and why. She uses a special method for creating what I will definitely call art, which involves the use of our Adriatic sea salt. Her inspiration often comes from natural beauties and the fusion of sea and land.